Yebo Saubona to all soccer fans of the Premier Soccer League, and thank you for joining us from wherever you are. This is a Smart Brain and I have a good news to share with you. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Is Orlando Pirates Football Club gear up for the upcoming campaign of 2025-2026 with different competitions like the Betway Premiership, Nedbank Cup and the prestigious CAF Champions League, as they in search for a new head coach following the departure of Spanish football manager Jose Rivero, who bids farewell to Orlando Pirates Football Club after 132 matches at the helm as head coach. Jose Rivero, we know he made a record of 8 wins, 26 draws and 26 losses, but he succeeded to give Orlando Pirates Football Club different trophies like M1080 in 3 times in a row plus 2 Nedbank Cups. Better than enough, he reached the semi-finals of the CAF Champions League. Now the coach in question is about signing of tactician from French known as Bruno Ferri, who has passed in various clubs like Azam FC in Tanzania Premier Soccer League, as well as AAC Vita Club in Democratic Republic of Congo. Rumor suggests that French tactician has been offered to Orlando Pirates Football Club, as many fans and pundits alike believe that Bruno Ferri, the former Azam assistant coach, will make an impressive impact to Orlando Pirates Football Club as he did to AC Vita Club. The different sources have been confirmed. Rumors suggest that if Orlando Pirates will sign this French tactician, it will be a valuable addition to their already formidable squad, and maybe he will proceed with what Jose Rivero left. Now Jose Rivero is going to join Al Ahly Football Club in the Egyptian Premier League, but if Orlando Pirates will sign French tactician, it will be a very valuable signing to their already formidable squad.